very cruel cineast. Cineast. You are. You're getting worse and worse. Mercy, mercy, show mercy.
Okay, and then I need to tell me again where 17.
It is that she told me at the 8.5 mile post, and you're driving south, so it will be
But is
on your
it
left.
on Virginia
on the high
Dare?
pass.
No, it's over
It's
one.
on over
right,
one.
on 158. Okay.
You told us to get off at the 7.5.
Yeah, and this is for, she wants to go
This
to,
is something
she
else.
wants to go to the 17th Street Surf Shop
Oh, I see.
to buy a board.
And Ocean Acres is about 9.5.
Yes, that's right.
Just here.
No spirit. Just the wetsuit on the board. Gonna go hang 10.
One time it
Remember
seems to
Hang
me, yeah, it seems to me one time I was driving and Nikolai had put his surfboard in the car because preparatory to coming down here, and I got in and I backed the car out, and some of his friends were walking down the street. One of them said, "Gonna take out the board, Miss Mealot?" And I said, "Yeah." I felt so cool.
Oh, you see now you cleverly did bring field glasses. That's good.
Wasn't that smart?
Yes, very smart.
The ladies are going to Ocean North to Nags Head Reserve.
Now, of course, we did that yesterday.
We did that. Who else is going? Just the two of you?
No,
Three of them.
Mary. Mary.
That's
Two of them missed it yesterday.
Yeah.
Whereas we've already had the full rich
Yes.
experience.
Exactly.
Yes.